Cracks showing up around your doorways and walls near the floor can totally mess with your home's vibe and might even be a sign of bigger problems you don't want to ignore. So, the first thing to know is that these cracks often happen because of stuff like settling foundations, changes in temperature making, materials expand and contract, or sometimes just normal wear and tear over time. To handle them, start by checking if the cracks are small hairline ones or if they're getting bigger. That tells you if it's a quick fix or something needing a pro. Keep an eye on moisture levels too, because water damage can cause cracks to get worse fast. You can use caulk or spackle for minor cracks, but make sure you prep the surface by cleaning it well so the repair sticks. For bigger cracks, it might be worth getting a structural engineer or contractor to take a look, especially if you see doors or windows sticking or floors that feel uneven. Also, improving drainage around your home can stop water from soaking into your foundation and causing more cracks. And don't forget to keep humidity levels consistent inside your house by using dehumidifiers or proper ventilation to prevent materials from expanding and cracking further. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracks near doorways and floors is ignoring them until they get worse, which can lead to costly foundation repairs down the line. Another common issue is using the wrong materials for patching up cracks, like just slapping on paint or cheap filler that doesn't last, which just makes the problem come back. Lastly, not addressing underlying causes such as poor drainage or soil movement means you're just treating symptoms, not the actual problem, so those cracks pop right back up. To fix these, start by monitoring crack size regularly so you catch issues early. Use high-quality patching compounds designed for walls and floors for a long-lasting fix. And always investigate what's causing the damage, like checking gutters, downspouts, and soil grading around your home to keep water away from your foundation. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like cracks near doorways and floors without any hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for steady work, the site connects you to homeowners ready to get their big projects done right.